I just wanted to show you some of the scarves that haven't got as much attention as some of the others. So this is called Green Beetle. So it is just a divine royal blue with some beautiful green. So green and blue are terrific together, and it has a gorgeous border. So you can wear it lots of ways, but just like this is really nice and pulled around as a nice kind of a loopy tie, like a man's tie effect is really good on it as well. So you can pull it in nicely under a jacket, any colour jacket. You can also do it that you fold it into a nice kind of a band. So you fold that triangle bit into the centre and then just keep folding it over until you have it as narrow or as wide as you like, and that you have the colours that you like to the front or where you like them. You can twirl these pieces around so that you have a nice edge, pull it in tight to the neck and just loop it around like that, and it's really neat and really a nice way. Gorgeous with green or with black, with navy, with lots of different colours, and it even has hints of red and different colours in there, so you can pick those up, and of course as always the black and white in there. Another way to tie that is like the way you would a long scarf. So pull it around like that and pull the two pieces through, and again you have it to the front or to the back. Have it one piece looping over the other, and you have those nice greens to your face, which are really nice and suit loads of people. So that's that way. You can loop it in twice or loop it in once, have one end longer than the other, and you have a really different effect each time. And as I say, twirl around those pieces, pull out whatever you want to be seen, you know, have one piece looping over the other. It's quite neat, but it's a lovely neat way to tie your scarf. And again, this way of folding your scarf right into the edge, but you can have a look and you see the pieces that you like. If you like some of that orangey greens, more of the greens than more of the blue, then you would just work it so that they are going to be the piece that's at your neck again, and pull that around. And you can also do it, leave one piece down tight and pull the other piece around neatly to the front, and you have that, and it's draping nicely there so that you can see that lovely hand rolled hem and all of the things that are going on there. So yeah, and pull it around to the side and you to whichever way you want, but the royal blue in this is just divine, and there's some lovely reds and the green is gorgeous, so you can't go wrong with that. Online on the models I have it in, you know, the normal way with the cowboy side, and it's really nice. So that's that. Again, you can do the same thing as I've done previously. Just get the ring, which is a finger ring, and just make sure that there's nothing sticking out of it, and pull your two pieces through and pull it up to the top, and it's just really nice way of wearing it, really handy, and you can have it in or out, have it to the side, which is really nice. You can have it as voluminous or as neat as you like, or you could have a ring that has a big stone on it so it's showing off, or it might pick up some of the greens or the reds that are in the scarf. You can also do your little bow to the side and have it like that, so you're catching the colours under your jacket. Or try a blue one, which is kind of a royal blue with green in it as well. It's called Green Beetle. So it's beautiful, the normal way that I do a lot of these, which is kind of the cowboy effect. Really nice like that. But that is, let me think, you have it like that, into the triangle as usual, and then get one of the corners and fold it neatly into pleats all the way over to the edge of one of the sides of your triangle. Get your hair tie and put it around that, and just twice, just a regular hair tie that is a fabric one. Get the edge side towards the back of your neck and pull it around, pull this piece. You can make a loop here that you can pull the band through, which is really nice, like that. So you just make a loop there and pull your piece through that, pull your pleats through this when you have it made. So you have that nice piece coming out there. Then pull your pleats through that, hopefully. Then you get one end against the other, and you just have something that's voluminous, but it's a kind of, it doesn't look as floppy as some of the other ways. You can pull both ends of that through, and you can have it as tight or as loose as you like, and you have this piece coming out as well. Pull it to the side or just pull it down to the front, and it can be really nice. So that's a few of those pieces. Again, that royal blue is just so nice, picks up a lot. There's a few hints of yellow in there, and the green that's in it is just